So the question is, Susie sold 33 boxes of Girl Scout cookies. This is 25% of what the Girl Scout troop sold. How many boxes of cookies did the Girl Scout troop sell? So the information that we are given in this problem is 1. Susie sold 33 boxes. 2. This is 25% of what the whole troop sold, and we are trying to find how many troops. So the first two questions we need to ask ourselves is, what is the part and what is the whole? Well, Susie is a part of a troop, so she is a part, and that is hers. So the part is equal to Susie. Now the whole, she's a part of a Girl Scout troop, so the whole is the Girl Scout troop. And remember, we are trying to find what's the total amount that the Girl Scout troop sold. So we can represent this as a strip diagram. See, this whole line right there is the Girl Scout troop. And we can split this up into 4 equal parts worth 25%. 25%, 25%, 25%, 25%. Notice how each line is equal in 25 4 times. Added up 4 times together is equal to 100, which can also be represented as 25 over 100. And we can simplify this by dividing each side, the numerator and the denominator, by 25 to get 1/4. So now that we have this, we can solve this by 2 ways. Also, we know that 33, each 25% is worth 33 boxes of Girl Scout cookies. So now that we know this, we can solve this by 2 ways. 1, we can add all of these numbers up individually. So we'll start with this way first. And so 33 plus 33 plus 33 plus 33. So first we add up the ones column. Well, that's 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. And that is equal to 12. But see, the problem is we cannot have 12 ones in the one spot. There is a tens unit there. So we put that one over the tens column. So now we do 3 plus 3 plus 3 again, which is 12. But notice how we regrouped one of the tens from this place into here. So now it's, instead of 12, it's 13. And so, well, we can't have 13 tens again. So we have to regroup this again by adding one more 100, which gets us to 132 boxes of Girl Scout cookies the troop sold. Now, the next part we can solve by multiplication. And I brought this down from up here just as a reminder that 25 over 100 is equal to 1/4. So, since this, and we know that Z is a part, we can have 1/4 equal to 33 over X, with X being represented as the group, the Girl Scout troop. So now we have 1/4 equals to 33 over X, which means we need to separate the X to get it by itself from the other side. So we multiply by x both sides to get this. And we also multiply by 4 on each side. So when we do this, we have 1 times x is equal to 33 times 4. Now we need to go over the same process as before with 33 times 4. So what is 4 times 3? Well, that is 12. And same thing as before, we move the 2 here. And then 4 times 3, and we add the extra 10s here. So then 4 times 3 is equal to 12 plus a 1 above, which equals 13. So we put 3 here, and then we bring over the 1 for 132. So the troops sold 132 boxes of cookies. That's the total.